This video is about digestion.
The digestive system has three main functions. First, it breaks down food into molecules the body can use. Then, the molecules are absorbed into the blood and carried throughout the body. Finally, wastes are eliminated from the body. How do you have so much energy?
It's part of digestion.
Great, I want to have digestion too.
Well, you can.
The chemical in saliva that digests starch is an enzyme. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions in the body. Your body produces many different enzymes. Each enzyme has a specific chemical shape. Its shape enables it to take part in only one kind of chemical reaction. If you've ever choked on food, your food may have gone down the wrong way. That's because there are two openings at the back of your mouth. One opening leads to your windpipe, which carries air into your lungs. As you swallow, a flap of tissue called epiglottis seals off your windpipe, preventing food from entering. The food goes through the esophagus, a muscular tube which connects the mouth to the stomach. The esophagus is lined with mucus, a thick, slippery substance produced by the body. Mucus makes food easier to swallow and move along. Food remains in the esophagus for only about 10 seconds. After food enters the esophagus, the contractions of smooth muscles push away the food towards the stomach. These involuntary waves of muscle contractions are called peristalsis. Peristalsis also occurs in the stomach and farther down the digestive system. The muscular waves keep the food moving in one direction. Leaves the esophagus, it enters the stomach, a J-shaped muscular pouch located in the abdomen. As you eat, your stomach expands to hold all the food that you swallow. Most mechanical digestion and some chemical digestion occur in your stomach. The process of mechanical digestion occurs when three strong layers of smooth muscle contract to produce a churning motion. This action mixes the food with liquids in the same way and clothes and soapy water are mixed in a washing machine. Mechanical digestion occurs as the churning food makes contact with the digestive juice, a fluid produced by the cells in the lining of the stomach. Food remains in the stomach until all the solid material has been broken down into a liquid. A few hours after you finish eating, the stomach completes the mechanical digestion of the food. The liver is located in the upper right portion of the abdomen.
These are called abs.
It's the largest organ inside the body. The role of the liver in the digestive system is to produce bile. Bile is a substance that breaks up fat particles.
This is a bit of fat.
Bile flows from the liver into the gallbladder that the organ stores up bile. The pancreas is a triangular organ that lies between the stomach and the first part of the small intestine. Millions of tiny finger-shaped structures called villi cover the surface of the intestines. The large intestine is the last section of the digestive system. It's about finished eating, the stomach completes the mechanical digestion of the food. By the time most of the proteins have chemically digested into short chains of amino acids, the food, now a thick liquid, is released into the next part of the digestive system. Of the intestines. The large intestine is the last section of the digestive system. It's about 1.5 meters long, about as long as an average bathtub. It runs up the right hand of the abdomen, across the upper abdomen, and then down the left-hand side. The large intestine contains bacteria that feed on material passing through. As materials move through the large intestine, water is absorbed into the bloodstream. The remaining material is ready for the elimination of the body. The large intestine ends in a short tube called the rectum. Here, waste material is compressed into a solid form. This waste material is eliminated from the body through the anus, a muscular opening at the end of the rectum.
Produced and directed by Kyle and Rufai.
And me.
And Drew.
You're not tripping.
Come on, man.
Brawl, son! You want a brawl? Let's brawl!
Done.
Brawl, son!
Fight.
Let's brawl! Oh, shit, you can stop.